Hi everyone, this is Ren. Thanks for watching my video. I'm going to go golf course today to have lunch, and I practice golf with my host family. This will be my second time going to play golf. The first time was 4 years ago with my classmates from college, so I still might not be very good. But I'm very good when I play golf on the PlayStation. Anyway, I'm going to take you guys, and you will see some nice scenery, and you can laugh at me trying to golf. So, let's go! So we're gonna go golfing today. Here we are. Wow! Can I get a crispy chicken burger? Wow. Thank you so much.
No problem. Can I grab you guys anything else for the moment?
Yeah, we'll do sauce. It'll probably be good. Yours is garlic? Oh, I didn't know they had soup.
Ham and cheddar.
It is so big. I don't know how to eat it.
Cool workout of it, right, eh? Time to go hit some ball. Well, pretty yacht. Well, there's something to notice. How many times a week shall we say that? You can do the
Go. Hello.
You can hold like this,
Okay.
or like this, or on top, or like this. And then with your thumb, you can hold straight. I hold it straight. And then when I have short shots like this, when you're not far away, so if you want to go to that pole, that one, right? I go like this. I go a little bit like this. Look where you're going. Good. Interlock, or you can go on top or in front. Whatever is more comfortable. Good.
Too much.
Way too much. Yeah, but it was a good shot. Well, only you can do that. Oh, that was a good shot. We're gonna try a different club.
Oh no!
Oh no! Don't be nervous.
God, no pressure.
Oh, that's a good one.
Good job.
Thank you.
Wow.
But he doesn't have a door, so he said, don't shoot at me. But he has a door on this side.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
That is cool.
Okay,
Perfect.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.